And he is
Mm-hmm.
not listening about this Mercury. Sir, I
Mm-hmm.
told him to take care of his health.
Office?
Of his health.
Okay,
He's going
okay.
to. He's under the Mahadasha of Mercury, Venus.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I told him to take care of his health.
Uh-huh.
His daughter is well connected to me.
Okay, okay,
She was also there when the incident happened. It was a
okay,
very minute bite of mice,
okay, okay, okay.
and that person had to lose his leg.
Oh my God. Hmm. Hmm.
They were all conscious. They thought
Hmm.
it is because of diabetes. I'm saying that he has to take care of his health.
Yes,
They took care
yes.
of diabetes,
Uh,
but even the doctor, he did not take the precaution of giving this. Uh, there is a medicine for this.
mhm.
They did not give him this injection.
Okay,
His
okay,
daughter was there. She is well
okay.
educated about this.
Uh-huh.
Even she said, okay, doctor is not giving this. Okay, let us leave
Mhm.
it. But it
Mhm.
led to a gangrene. And
Mhm.
so, what kind of remedy would you say for this type of Venus? Because he is in Venus
Yes.
Mahadasha.
First, I think he may be running a Mahadasha of Venus, but I think
Yeah,
somehow Rahu is affecting his either sixth house or first house, or
first
even
house,
yeah,
first house.
first house. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is bite of mice is a straight thing of Rahu. Any animal that lives in a burrow is a Rahu Karaka, whether it is mice or a snake. So first and foremost, you have
Oh,
to
I
see
should
the
have seen the Rahu thing. Yes, yes.
see the nakshatra of Rahu and treat the nakshatra lord. He will come out of it. Not
Okay.
Rahu per se. You have to see where nakshatra lord is guiding Rahu.
All right. All right.
So there you can find out the remedies, and Rahu remedy has to be done here, because when you see what Rahu's symptom is, there are two kinds. One is a bite from animal of this kind. Secondly, also there is a diagnostic confusion. He must have changed his at least 3 doctors.
7 to 8 doctors he went.
Yes. So this is a diagnostic confusion that Rahu will give. So treat Rahu first. I would treat Rahu first.
So, but already he has lost his leg.
Yeah, he is. So firstly and foremost, since he has lost it, and if Rahu, his Venus is Mahadasha is going and he is diabetic, then he can actually have a gangrene if he doesn't take care of his health.
Yeah. Because of
So,
gangrene, he lost his leg.
so that is why you need to take us. So what I would suggest is first and foremost is, whatever his weight. Suppose he's 50 kgs. Let's say, for example, you should donate 50 kgs of kacha koila wood in the river as soon as you can.
Kacha
Another,
koila of his equivalent to his weight, donated
equal,
in the sea.
yeah, if it's C, it's okay. If it's C is also is okay. And if it is done, if you are going to do on Amavasya, which is on 22nd, donate a
Amavasya.
nariyal. Yeah, Amavasya is 22nd. I don't know Dubai mein kab padega, so you have to calculate it.
Mhm.
So I think so. Donate a coconut as well after taking sankalpa.
Okay.
His daughter can do it, his son can do it. If he can do it, then that's great. But after taking sankalp here is very important. Sankalp is very simple. You have to take water in your hand and say ki I from falana gotra
Yeah.
living in this, take the sankalpa that I am donating this for the shanti of Rahu, "Oh Lord Rahu, please relieve me of my diseases and please absolve me of any mistake that I've done, and put this water down on earth and do this kriya." He will get a relief. Especially done on Amavasya, Rahu kriya is good.
Okay, he can donate one coconut and he will be relieved out of his. But here,
Yeah.
the main thing, he has to take the sankalp.
He has to take a sankalp, and if his child is doing it, he has to take a sankalp from his father, that I, the child of this, who lives here, of this gotra, and so on and so forth.
So one thing I would like to add over here is, lot of people,
Hmm.
they fear of Rahu,
Hmm.
and especially we have Rahu Kal.
Hmm.
If a believer or a non-believer, they believe that Rahu Kal is there.
Yeah. Okay.
But I have seen a lot of people
Uh-huh.
who specially perform Om Brahm Brim Brom Shah Rahu and Nama at the time of Rahu Kal.
Okay. Okay.
So
Here I
please,
would
can you
differ.
enlighten me?
Here I would differ. Look, Rahu and Ketu don't give their own result. Okay. Om Ram Brim Brom Sir Rahu Nama. Say Om Shram Shrim Shrom Sir Rahu Nama ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा.
But
Shram
Om
Shrim.
Brahm Shrim is for Ketu, right?
हाँ, वो केतु एक्चुअली होता क्या है, ये थोड़ा सा लॉजिक से समझो. राहु का ट्रीटमेंट केतु के मंत्र से बहुत अच्छा होता है, क्योंकि दोनों ऑपोजिट्स हैं.
Yeah.
I have seen Ketu mantra doing great benefit when you are afflicted with Rahu.
Wow.
Ketu mantra. Here is the tip, technique and tip where Ketu mantra does well, because what happens is when you activate Ketu, Jupiter automatically gets activated, and Kujuvat Ketu, Mars is also get activated. The Mars and Jupiter are the arch enemies of Rahu. It is only Mars who can actually subjugate Rahu, nobody else. Rahu even does Grahan of Surya. So when you do Ketu mantra, both Mars and Jupiter gets activated. So I find Ketu mantra doing much better in these times. Number one. Number two, yeah.
So since you said that, so Rahu and Ketu, Rahu and Surya Grahan we were talking about.
Yeah.
So can I add over here? This will help the people who are doing, who are having the conjunction.
Hello.
Who are having conjunction of Rahu and Ketu, which is considered to be as a Pitru Dosh.
No, Rahu and Ketu can never conjunct. They are
Sorry, Rahu and Surya.
Surya. Yes.
Rahu and Surya.
It will be a Pitru Dosh. It will be a Pitru Dosh. In this case also, mantra of Ketu, or if you do donations of charity to sadhus, especially Hatha yogis, if you find it anywhere, Pitru Dosh get absorbed.
Especially Hatha yogis.
Hatha yogis are Ketu karakas. People who stand on their feet, and you will often find, if it is not Hatha yogi, then you have to go to a place where people are doing some strict spiritual practices. That will also do.
Sir, can I add Aghoris over here?
Yeah. Aghoris are very good. Yeah. Certainly. It will also propagate his moon. अच्छी बात है ये तो, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. अब इंट्रोड्यूस कर दो मून किसी भी मैलेफिक्स में, रेमेडियल मेजर्स में. उसीलिए तो लाल किताब सब कुछ बहाता है, इसीलिए तो बहाता है. Because moon does not have any animosity with anybody. Everybody considers moon. Moon is Shiva. Who can dare to have animosity with Shiva? And when Shiva says this will be done, Shiva has the only veto power in this whole universe and Brahmand. When Shiva says this has to happen, it will happen. That is why Lal Kitab has a very good thing, that it always, malefics को सब फ्लो आउट कर देता है. कॉपर फ्लो कर दो, मसूर की दाल फ्लो कर दो, चने की दाल फ्लो कर दो, फलाना फ्लो कर दो, कोकोनट फ्लो कर दो, ये कर दो, खाली घड़ा फ्लो कर दो मरकरी एप्लिकेशंस के लिए. तो यहाँ पर इसीलिए कि if you can get hold of a Aghori, nothing like that, you can consider this very good. So, but if you cannot catch hold of Aghoris, at least you should donate 9 bananas to Ganesh ji.
Okay, 9 bananas to Ganesh ji
See, that
for
will also Ketu.
for the Ketu. Activation
Yes,
of
yes.
Ketu is
So
that
activation. Yes,
okay, sir?
yes.
Sir, another thing is in this point. So if I do the mantra for Ketu,
Hmm.
Om Shram Shrim Shom Shah Ketu Namaha, this will activate my Mars and it
Hmm.
will activate my Jupiter.
Jupiter. This will also activate your Mars and Jupiter. They will be harmonized, as well as it will take care of Rahu.
Okay, sir. Just taking Trikona, Mol Trikona, if
Hmm.
the Jupiter is Panchamesh,
Ha.
will it give a malefic result since we are in Kalyug? Will it
Hmm.
give a malefic result or a positive result?
In a Mool Trikona, and if Jupiter is in Panchamesh, that is a Mool Trikona sign of Jupiter is Sagittarius.
Right. Yes, sir.
Right. So obviously, if it is Sagittarius, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should be Virgo.
Sorry,
Lagna.
sir. Sorry. We are looking at the Lagna, Siha Lagna, sir.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, Singh Lagna. That is correct. So Singh Lagna में अगर देखिए Singh Lagna में 99% of the times Jupiter is always retrograde.
नहीं सर, it's not a retrograde.
अगर रेट्रोगेट नहीं है, पंचमेश है जुपिटर, तो यहाँ पर सिंह लग्न में 9, 10, 11, 12, हाँ ठीक है, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव अ बैड रिजल्ट, बट एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट यहाँ पर एक चीज आती है जिसको हम कहते हैं एक तो जस्ट होल्ड ऑन फॉर अ सेकंड.
यस सर. मनीष कॉल कर रहा है, प्लीज हम मनीष को कॉल कर दीजिए. तानी बोलिए.
Yeah. So basically, Jupiter also becomes the lord of 8th house, right? So 8th house का lord होने के साथ अगर
Yes.
पंचमेश बन, हाँ, so अगर अकेले हैं तो दिक्कत हो सकती है थोड़ी बहुत. हालांकि त्रिकोणा में इतना नहीं है क्योंकि मूल त्रिकोणा साइन में जुपिटर है और अपने आप में जुपिटर, लेकिन बच्चों के लिए थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हो सकती है. बच्चों का कई बार सांस का दिक्कत हो जाता है.
And Jupiter conjunct with Mars, because we are talking about activating Mars also.
हाँ, अगर जुपिटर मार्स के साथ कंजंक्ट है और सिंह लग्न में मार्स योग कारक है, यहाँ पर हीट पैदा कर देगा क्योंकि मार्स इज अ हीटेड प्लैनेट, फायरी प्लैनेट.
Heated planet. Yes.
एंड सैजिटेरियस इज आल्सो फायरी, जुपिटर इज आल्सो फायरी. यहाँ पर अगर हीट को आप थोड़ा कंट्रोल में रखो, अब ठीक है, अपने दिमाग के कंट्रोल में रखो, हीट को कंट्रोल, स्पाइसेस कम खाओ, फ्रैंकली स्पाइसेस कम खाओ, नहीं तो वो मोटा कर देगा, आपको एसिडिटी दे देगा, ठीक है. और थोड़ी बहुत हेल्थ में इश्यूज, अगर स्पाइसेस कम खाओ तो ठीक है, इट्स अ गुड कंजंक्शन. वे मतलब लैंड प्रॉपर्टी के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, और कई बार उसको सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह में और पुलिस सर्विस में, गवर्नमेंट सर्विस में, ट्रांसपोर्ट के सर्विस में, एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू फायर आर्म्स में भी बहुत अच्छा पोजीशन दे देता है पंचमेश जुपिटर. अगर मार्स के साथ बैठना खराब नहीं है, इट्स अ गुड, आई वुड से.
Just by performing, just by performing the mantra of Ketu,
हाँ,
and donating, being a charitable nature,
yes,
having Guru, worshipping Guru, will help that type of person a lot.
absolutely correct. You are absolutely right. Absolutely right.
See, sir, there is, reminds me of Doha from Shri Tulsidas ji.
हाँ,
एक घड़ी आधी में पुनियाद, तुलसी
Right.
संगत साधु के हरे कोटि अपराध.
बिल्कुल ठीक, बिल्कुल सही बात है.
सर
बिल्कुल
आपके
सही
साथ
बात.
बैठ के ना, आपके साथ बैठ के ना, मतलब ऐसे फील हो रहा है कि रियली रेमेडीज आर सो इजी टू बी डन, एंड इफ अ पर्सन रियली फ्रॉम द हार्ट, if he is wishing for Guru, definitely they will find.
certainly. बस रेमेडीज में होता क्या है कि रेमेडीज में ना करेक्ट प्लैनेट को पकड़ना बहुत जरूरी है, और यहीं पर कैलकुलेशंस काम आते हैं, मरकरी काम आता है, और फ्रैंकली केतु का सही होना जो रेमेडी दे रहा है उसके लिए, उसके चार्ट में, अपने चार्ट में केतु का अच्छा होना बहुत जरूरी है, नहीं तो वो हील नहीं कर पाएगा. Ashwani Nakshatra. केतु का एक बहुत अच्छा नक्षत्र है. These are ruled by Ashwani Kumars, who are the deities doctors. ठीक है, तो जहां से है कि अगर आप केतु आपका अच्छे स्थान में होता है ना, तो आप हीलिंग अच्छा कर सकते हो, अच्छे मंत्र दे सकते हो और रेमेडीज अच्छा निकाल सकते हो. तो मेरे हिसाब से एस्ट्रोलॉजर को थोड़ा सा अपना केतु को ठीक करके रखना चाहिए. किसी भी एस्ट्रोलॉजर को केतु का ठीक होना बहुत जरूरी है मेरे हिसाब से.
Right, sir. So, just to coming towards the end, I would like to map down something which will help a lot.
Right.
And I think so. You are the perfect person to say for this.
I'll try my level best. Yeah.
So I was when I started my journey in astrology.
Mm-hmm.
People were saying just a conjunction of Jupiter and Ketu is the first thing that we have to look at.
Okay.
Very recently, when I started taking interviews from the known astrologers, they said not only Jupiter and Ketu, we have to look at Venus and Mercury also. And for Mercury, you are the first person who told me the history of Mercury.
Okay. देखिए, each and every astrologer has his own technique of looking at chart. For me, there are only two planets that I look: Jupiter and Saturn. Because whenever they transit, they will create events. That is for sure. Especially Saturn, because Saturn is the only planet that promises you event. Whatever its state, it may be weakened in their shutbal. It may be, it may be retro. It may be minus, plus, whatever. Whatever Saturn says, it will give result. So I see Jupiter and Saturn the first thing in a chart. और जैसे कि मैंने उस वीडियो में भी कहा, अष्टक वर्ग में भी सबसे पहले कक्षा सैटर्न का ही पड़ता है.
So another thing which I would like to clear means everybody will get benefit out of it.
Mm-hmm.
Lal Kitab is considered to be the Persian book.
Yes, true.
You being from a yogic background, you having a yogic guru, how is the influence of Lal Kitab on Vedic astrology?
I will tell you something. What my guru has said. Now, I've done my own research, although I have not found too many scriptures on it. But it seems Lal Kitabs first originated from the Ravan Samhita. Ravan was the first. What is Lal Kitab? Basically, if you see deeply, Lal Kitab is all about remedies. Lal Kitab hardly talks about any predictions. Hardly. लाल किताब सेज कि भैया अगर आपके जुपिटर 5 में होगा तो ये होगा, आपका सैटर्न अगर 6 में होगा तो ये दान करिए, आप हाउस मत बनाइए, इस वक्त आप शादी मत करिए, बस इतना. तो प्रेडिक्शन नहीं देता. लाल किताब हुआ क्या कि रावण संहिता में भी ज्यादा से ज्यादा रेमेडियल एक्शन है. तो रावण संहिता से लोग कहते हैं कि रावण संहिता से इन्फ्लुएंस्ड है लाल किताब. And then somehow it got filtered, and then it came to known as Lal Kitab. So anybody who wants to take the grasp of Lal Kitab, I think he has to go back to Ravan Samhita. Everybody should read Ravan Samhita. He is talking very serious about remedies. And
so
it is
maybe
Persian.
in 2-3 minutes the call will end again. So
I
maybe next time.
Yeah, I have to go somewhere also. So let's end this in the last.
Sure,
we will take next topics other time also. So
definitely, sir, definitely.
Lal Kitab, you need to understand Lal Kitab, especially in terms of remedies, because Lal Kitab have also very unique aspects theory in itself. Okay. Very unique theory. Lal Kitab will actually enlighten you how to support a house. Remedies to support a house. If your Lagna is affluent, Lal Kitab will tell you which are the house lords that you have to support. Then there is another concept in Lal Kitab called Nakli Graha, where 2 Graha actually create 1.
Oh.
So, yeah, we can have a very prolonged chat on Lal Kitab. Lal Kitab के Nakli Graha का concept बहुत brilliant है. So, that helps a lot.
Sure, sir. It will be an honor. It will be a pleasure, sir.
Same here. It will be great talking to you. Sure. Anything I can help to help people or try to, whatever I can to, help absolve people from trap that is going on in astrology. That is all my, whole intention is. They made a mockery of astrology, which is very sad.
Very true, sir. Really, I feel a lot when I see actually the science has been mocked a lot,
Absolutely.
and the youngsters who should do some research on this, instead of doing research, they are busy on TikTok and all these things.
True, true, true. And even the astrologers, young astrologers, I have seen. They hardly see a chart a day. Ideally, if you're a serious astrologer, you should see at least 20, at least 10 charts a day. चाहे वो काम का हो या ना हो, जरूरी नहीं उससे पैसा कमाओ. But for the practice sake, for experience sake, there are a lot of case studies going around. Buy the books, see the books. Case studies हैं चारों तरफ. तो अब वो चार्ट देखते ही नहीं है. नए एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स हैं, चार्ट पर देखा नहीं उन्होंने और शुरू हो जाते हैं उल्टा सीधा. Other day, the same Mr. Sunil was talking about if Chandrama is in 6,000, 8,000, you will lose an umbrella. Now, what kind of stupid prediction is that? This is what makes it a joke, man. Who gives a shit about umbrella losing, man? Come on. This is 21st century. How many people actually use umbrellas? There's hardly any rain happening. अजीबो-गरीब से ऐसे बातें करते हैं because and people fall for it. It's very sad. So I think it's a good initiative by you. I really appreciate it, and let me know if I can be of some help to you in any way I can. I will snatch some
Definitely,
time
sir.
out.
Definitely.
Sure.
It will be a real pleasure to talk to you always, sir. I really thank you a million from my heart that you took out so much of time, and you have been so kind for doing so good for humanity. Definitely, like
And
3-4 combinations we talked about are the common happening combinations,
yes,
and especially the enlightenment on Mercury that you have given. I will definitely consider Mercury up and down to if it is retrograde, I will consider one house up, one house down now.
absolutely, 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 absolutely. You should
It
do
was
that.
really enlightenment like anything, sir. Really. So again, thanking you once again, and I'll take your permission, and
Sure.
really koti koti dhanyawad.
Array, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Pleasure knowing you. And if you
Same
post
here,
this
sir.
feed, send me a link if you can.
Sure, sir. Definitely, definitely.
Thank you. Okay. God bless. Thank you. Take care, please.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.